Hello everyone, today we will study about our next general clinical repertory, that is the Prescriber by Dr. J.H. Clark. Total number of medicines in this book are 428. In his initial days, he used to refer to the clinical index of Dr. Rodok's well-known Vade-Mecum. There is another book, A Manual of Tropical Disease and Hygiene for Missionaries. It was by two doctors. First is E.A. Needby and second is T. Myler Needby. So name of this book is important. A Manual of Tropical Disease and Hygiene for Missionaries. Then comes the plan and construction of the book. It is divided into two main sections. First is Introduction to the Prescriber and second is the main part, the Prescriber. Now, first section has been divided into four parts. Part 1 deals with how to practice homeopathy. Total topics covered in this part are 11. Second part deals with case taking and topics covered in this part is 5. Part 3 deals with plan of the prescriber and how to use it. It contains 3 topics. First is the plan, second is rules of prescribing, and third is example of prescriptions. And the fourth part consists of list of remedies, abbreviations and signs. So this was section 1. Now comes second section of the prescriber, which is the main part of the book. It deals with treatment of disease and is arranged alphabetically. Under each name of disease rubric, the names of the medicine are given along with potency, dose, repetitions of most common medicines. The clinical rubric usually begins with a little description of clinical condition. Before starting off any clinical rubric, some introductory or its definition or its medicine part is given in the book. It has an elaborate repertory on toothache. So this was all about the prescriber. So the main points of this repertory is it is given by J.H. Clark. Total number of medicines 428. There is another important book, A Manual of Tropical Disease and Hygiene by Missionaries by E.A. Needby and T. Myler Needby. It has two main sections. First section consists of 4 parts. Part 1, 2, 3 and 4. First part tells about how to practice homeopathy. Second deals about case taking. Third, plan of prescriber and how to use it. And the fourth part consists list of remedies, abbreviation and signs. The second section is the main part, which deals with the treatment of disease. This is an elaborate repertory on the topic toothache, and every clinical rubric begins with its description, that what is the condition. Then after that, the remedies are given below it. Thank you.